Imagine having $1 million in your bank account and investing it all in real estate properties. On the other hand, you have that same $1 million, but you invest it all into stocks. One investment is a physical, tangible asset that you control. The other one exists in a digital screen and you have zero control over it. With one investment, you could lose 100% of your money. The other investment can lose much of the property value, but you can never lose it all. Which one of these investment options would you put your $1 million that you worked so hard for? I see purchasing a real estate investment property similar to purchasing a business that you can control. When you invest in stocks though, you're simply a bystander, crossing your fingers and hoping that it all goes well. Stay to the end to find out what type of investments I have most of my money in. And if you like this type of content, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. Today we're exploring the benefits of investing in a physical asset like real estate compared to a digital asset like stocks. We'll compare the pros and the cons of each so you can determine which investment strategy is best for your personal needs. Investing in real estate and investing in stocks are two popular forms of investing, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Here's a comparison of the two. Type of investment. With real estate, you can own a property that not only increases in value over time, but it also gives you the flexibility to generate income in multiple ways. A physical place that you can rent out, you can renovate, and if needed, you can live in. It involves purchasing physical property such as land, a house, or even a commercial property. It requires more hands-on management, and it is considered a tangible physical asset. Stocks, on the other hand, involves buying shares in publicly traded companies. It's more of a liquid form of investment, allowing for easier buying and selling. Stocks represent a share of the ownership in a company and are digital, intangible type of investment. Capital requirement. Real estate generally requires a larger upfront investment. Purchasing property can involve significant down payments, closing costs, and ongoing maintenance expenses. Stocks can be entered with less capital. You can literally start investing in stocks with as little money as a nice dinner would cost. Investors can buy stocks in smaller quantities and diversify more easily across different sectors. Risk and return. Real estate is often viewed as less volatile than stocks, but it's not without risk. Market conditions, location, and property management can impact the returns. The returns come through rental income, property valuation, and tax benefits. There's different risks involved with real estate investing, but the property will always be there regardless of ups or downs in its value. Stocks can offer a higher potential returns, but they do come with higher volatility. Stock prices can sometimes quickly fluctuate significantly based on market conditions, company performance, and economic factors. The company may be around for years, but if the company fails, the stock price can go down to zero. Liquidity. Real estate is definitely less liquid, as selling a property can take time and it depends on market conditions. Stocks, on the other hand, are highly liquid, as stocks can be sold and converted to cash very quickly. Time and management. Real estate may require active management, such as dealing with tenants, maintenance, and property improvements. When hiring a good property manager though, which is what I do with my properties, real estate investing can truly be passive. Stocks, on the other hand, are truly passive investments, especially if investing in long-term indexes or mutual funds. Tax considerations. Real estate offers tax benefits like deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and most importantly, depreciation that adds on to the many benefits of investing in real estate. With real estate properties, it's possible to depreciate thousands of dollars a year, bringing significant savings when tax time rolls around. With stocks, dividends and capital gains are subject to taxes, though some long-term investments benefit from lower tax rates. Diversification. With real estate, there's many ways to diversify, including residential, commercial, short-term rentals, buying notes, building new construction, land development, and much more. Yet diversification in real estate does have a learning curve and typically requires significant capital investment. Stocks are easier to achieve diversification across different sectors, industries, and geographical locations. Impact of economic factors. Real estate can be influenced by local market conditions, interest rates, and overall economic health. Stocks are affected by global market conditions, economic indicators, industry-specific conditions, and company-specific news. Entry and exit barriers. Real estate has higher entry barriers due to investment amounts, and the exit can be slow and costly. Stocks have lower entry and exit barriers. Investing in stocks also allows for quick adjustments in investment strategies. Real estate investing typically involves a larger initial investment and longer time horizons, but it offers tangible assets, passive income, and potential tax savings. Investing in stocks, on the other hand, requires less capital to start, is definitely more liquid, and allows for easy diversification, but it comes with higher market volatility. The choice between the two depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, investment horizon, and level of involvement that you wish to have in your investment. As you can probably tell by now, I'm more biased towards investing in real estate. I've invested in both, but I personally like to sleep well at night, and I like to have more control over my investments and financial future. Buying an investment property is like buying a small business that you can see, touch, and control. So my investment portfolio is definitely more real estate heavy than any other type of investment. Thank you for watching, and to learn more about the powerful benefits of investing in real estate to help you achieve financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my next video.